Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Twitch account with EA account. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. So here I'm going to Chrome browser. So in the search bar, you just have to search for ea.com. So this is the platform that arrives when you click ea.com. So here I have already signed in my EA account. If you haven't signed in or log in, just go and create your account in the ea.com. So here I'm going to account settings. So this is my account and my profile of EA account. So just scroll down a bit and you can see here connections. In the last, just click on the connections. So right after that, here are many connected accounts. If you want to just connect the account, here are the links. Just you have to press the link and it will be linked. So I am here to just connect my Twitch account. So scroll down. So here I have already found Twitch account. So just click on the Twitch here. So right after that, it says verify your identity. We will send a verification code to Gmail account that I have linked with the Twitch. So just check your Gmail here and copy the code here. So here is the code. Just copy this code and paste it in the other and just sign in. So here now the Contentify EA account and Twitch Contentify account is linked. Just click on the link account. So now go and check this. So you can unlink your account after 08/16/2020. So now the Twitch is connected with the EA account. So thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.